Hey folks, it's Omran Sheikh, your London and Southwestern Ontario realtor, and today we are in Sarnia at the Magnolia Trails community, bringing you modern new homes located conveniently at the corner of Michigan Line and Modeland Road. Magnolia Trails is a beautiful community situated among open green country spaces of Sarnia. There are a number of builders showcasing their elevations, and one such quality builder is Moonhill Homes, showcasing main floor living and a variety of sizes to suit your lifestyle's needs. Known for their quality finishes and the inclusion of many upgrades, Moonhill Homes is releasing Phase 2 at Magnolia Trails of single-family detached homes ranging in size from 1831 to 1854 square feet. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of the finishes that you can expect by Moonhill Homes. For more information on pricing, floor plans, and the types of upgrades included in your new home, please reach out by phone, text, or email located in the description below. And to stay up to date on exciting new projects in Southwestern Ontario, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my name is Omran Sheikh, your Southwestern Ontario realtor. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.